Hello and welcome to the PyQt 5 beginner series. Today we take a look at the QDial and how we can use it in our application. This is the starter code which we have been using throughout this series. If it is not familiar to you, then it means you've not watched the videos in the series. I recommend that you do so. The link is in the description below. And you start from the very first video. I've explained all this code line by line and what each one means. And this our starter code. We have the central widgets, which of course is the Q widgets. We have set the central widgets of the application. And then we have declared every box layout where we put our widget, that is the QDial there. How do we go about it? We will need the QDial, of course, so we have to import it from QDial. And then now we can create a dial. So the dial equal to, let's make it self dot, because we now create a function self dot dial equal to QDial. And then in here we will not really do much, but we have to set the dial uses let me type the code I will explain. If you don't get it, just follow up. You understand why I'm typing that code. But you have to set the range of the dial. So self dot dial dot set range. We want to set the range from 0 to 10. And then we can set the current value. So dial self dial dot set value. Let's set the current value to 4. And then we can add it and then run our code and see. So layout dot add widget self dot dial. Now let's run our code and see. This is the dial. You can see that I can click this part and move it around. We can try and then put the numbers there. To show the values around the dial, we can do dial.set notches visible, and then we set this one to true. When we set notches to true and run our QDial again, the notches are visible, so we have to now set the numbers also. The numbers are supposed to show. Why is it that the numbers are not showing? Okay, let us write a function rather that will take the value of the number and then point it to the terminal for us. So in here we can make our connections as usual, and then this one will be self.dial. Self.dial dot, we want to know value changed. If the value is changed, we want to connect it to self.function. This function has not been created, we'll create it soon. And then now let's come down and then create the function. ODF function. Here, apart from that, you put an optional argument here, say the value of the dial, so say value, the current value of the dial. And down in the function, we can say that print, then an F string, the value is value. Once this function is passed to this dial, it will automatically know that we want it to do that. Let me bring my terminal up. We can see the values as they are printed. Now the current value is 2. If I start turning it, you see that now the value is changing. Now it got to 10, 0, and then that. So that is it for the QDial widgets and how we can use it in our application. You can use it for any form of control in any application that you want to build or anything like that. I'm sorry I was not able to show the numbers. I don't really know why it was not showing, but it was supposed to show. If you have any suggestions, you can put it down in the link below and the comment section, and then we all learn from it. That will be all for this video. Thank you for your time. I will see you another time with another video. Thank you.